Zach Luce, City of Denton Traffic Operations. We're here near Fleet, our central hub. Gonna go replace a couple of LEDs out on some intersections today. Good to go. We got a report in that green LED out. So first thing, we have to cone off, get a designated work zone going, verified the info, figured out where it was, what lane it is. It's pretty important for us. We can't work over open lanes, so we play by the safety game pretty strictly here. So we'll get suited up and then fly for a little bit. Well, I've been working with the city since February of 2021, so we're going on, what, a year and a half? Oh, yeah. I love working outside. I like working with tools. The machinery that we get to operate is just fantastic. City of Denton is one of the best places to work. And that green LED should be on right now. If it's not, then we have a slightly different problem. And green light's working, so let's get out of here and get safe. The people that I work with are awesome. You know, we have a pretty bang-up crew right now. We're in the business of traffic. Our job is to keep people who are in transit moving. You know, that's what we strive to do, is to make driving in Denton efficient and effective. So if you came from a side road and you notice, hey, I've been sitting at this red light, and I know it always feels like 10 minutes. Our end goal is to keep the public moving on the roadways, so we don't have traffic jams. You know, it's good to be able to take pride and know that our guys take pride in what they're doing, and you know, they take care of us up here. So